Welcome back to the late night news. Now, a day after one of the world's most wanted child abuser, Will Humes, is granted bail, fierce reactions are pouring in. There's growing public anger over the lethargic approach of the police. Will Humes escaped the clutches of law in 2002, and now once again the 56-year-old Dutchman has been given bail by a court. The notorious criminal may continue to abuse more children because the police could not frame charges against him. There's public outcry. Many have strongly condemned the police for their inefficient handling of the case.
I was taken aback when I heard the news that the bail was cancelled. It was a bail dismissed on the default of the police. When the commissioner arrested that person, he was telling that within 15 days, charge sheet will be framed. But now that because of the lethargy, the man was let out on bail.
It's really shocking. It's not only shocking for me, it is shocking for all the democratic-minded persons who are interested in justice, especially child rights activists.
When Will Humes was arrested in November 2009, the police claimed it was a big catch. But now, this delay in filing the charge sheet has raised many questions. Though the police say they did not have the forensic investigation report to file a charge sheet, not many are ready to believe this line of argument.
It concludes there is a collusion between the police and the culprit.
Here the police, they have lacked in everything. They have not even submitted a charge sheet. So it is on the face of it, it is known that the police are hand in glove with the culprit. So they shouldn't have done this.
The police have said they will file a strong charge sheet within the next 15 days. But the assurance is being met by increasing skepticism. In Chennai with camera person Kasi and Shabir Ahmed, Ramanathan, NDTV Hindu. Now, the reports of clashes in Sri Lanka's capital Colombo over the arrest of former Army Chief Sarath Fonseca. 8 people were hurt when supporters of President Mahinda Rajapakse and opposition activists attacked each other near the Supreme Court. The clashes come as Fonseca's wife challenged his arrest at the Supreme Court. Anoma Fonseca filed a petition for the violation of his fundamental rights to freedom and freedom from torture and inhuman treatment. She visited her husband at a Navy center in Colombo where he is being held right now. The government says it has enough evidence against Fonseca for conspiring against the government and the army. Meanwhile, hitting out hard against the arrest of Fonseca, Sri Lankan MP Ranil Wickremesinghe has said that Fonseca's arrest was a blow to democracy and not merely to Fonseca. He was at the Chennai airport today on his way to Colombo from Delhi. In his address to the media, Wickremesinghe said it was up to India to decide whether or not the country wants to intervene in Sri Lankan issues.
I have already condemned the arrest of Sarath Fonseca. There is no basis for his arrest. After the elections, they seem to have victimized him by arresting him in this manner. This is not a way for any democracy to behave. If he has committed offence, he must be charged in courts. This is not merely a blow to Mr. Fonseca, it's a blow to democracy in Sri Lanka. We are agitating for his release.
Well, web giant Google has introduced a new facility for its users. We'll find out what on the other side.
Potiyachu.
ஏங்க இங்க ரொம்ப அதிசயமான வீடுகளா இருக்கு. எங்கேயுமே கதவே இல்ல.
அவுரங்காபாத்ல இருந்து சுமார் 100 கிலோமீட்டர், அதாவது பஜாஜ் டிஸ்கவர் டிடிஎஸ்எஸ்ஐ மீது 1 லிட்டர் தூரம் சனி சிங்கப்பூர். அங்கு வீடுகளின் பாதுகாப்பை கதவுகள் அல்ல, சனி பகவான் காக்கிறார். 1 லிட்டர் சக்தியில் இந்தியாவை கண்டறியுங்கள். புதிய 100 சிசி பஜாஜ் டிஸ்கவர் டிடிஎஸ்எஸ்ஐ.
Today we are off to Elagiri. This is amazing. My journey is not yet over. It has just begun.
Discover Tamil Nadu is brought to you by Discover India with the power of 1 litre. New 100cc Bajaj Discover DTSSI. The Big Pick is brought to you by Suryadev QST Rebars and just 1,411 left. Save our Tigers, an Aircel initiative. The Late Night News is brought to you by Suryadev QST Rebars.